Hello, dear people. This is Ashok Kumar here. I'm the author of The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners and The Financial Independence for Women books. I am here to teach you the best binary options trading strategy, which I use on a daily basis in order to make money out of it. Trading strategy which we will be using is trend break and trend follow. So after breaking the trend, we will follow that particular break, whatever has happened. I'll even show you the live scenario, how we actually backtest it and how this actually will work for you. I only use IQ options as the binary broker because that's the safest I can make the money on. Many say that it is rigged against us, but I will say that this is the only place where I see that the system is not rigged against us. That being said, let's jump into the system. Before we go any further, we have to do some assumptions in order to get the things moving. First of all, I'll use IQ options. Second of all, I will only use 1 minute binary options trading strategy. Third of all, I'll be only using very widely accepted currency pairs, that is like Euro USD or GBP USD. GBP USD is not available all the time to trade in 1 minute chart. Fourth thing is I will only use 1 minute expirations. So over here you can see that the time now is 10:47 and the expiration is showing as 10:49. We have to make sure that we are trading 1 minute chart only. We'll go to 1 minute chart and see that it is 1 minute we have actually selected over here. So that being said, 1 minute is the only thing we will actually be trading. That being said, let's jump into the strategy. So the strategy name I have given to this strategy because this is my own strategy: trend break, trend follow method. So what does that mean? Once there is a trend which actually is formed, for example, over here we have candles which has made the trend. We need at least 3 candles to show it is a good trend. In my strategy, at least 3 candles means we have 4 candles here, 4 green candles, then we have a trend break by a red candle. So after the trend has broken for the next 9 candles, we will assume that it will actually go according to the particular trend break only. So for the next 9 candles, we will take red, that is put, as our trading bet. For this particular scenario, we have 4 candle which has formed a trend and then a break with a red candle. In the next candle beginning, you have to be ready to buy a put over here. So once we buy a put over here, we will have to wait for it to either close in red and we will end the trade right there if it ends in red and we make a profit. If it does not end in red, the next candle also will take a put, that is we will sell, and the third candle also will sell to lower if the second is not a red. In the third candle we will sell and we have made a profit over here. If at all you find this helpful, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to Exotic Investment. Let's backtest it. Over here we have red and a green has emerged over here. This is a trend break. The green is the trend breaker. After that, in the next candle at the beginning, that is 00, we have to place higher bet, that is a call. So we'll buy a call. We have lost in this particular scenario, but we are gaining in the second one. So we use a martingale system in order to make money for us. So we keep increasing our bet amount. So that's one of strategy which I'll teach you in the next video. So in this particular scenario, we'll just look at the strategy. So here there is a break and we will follow this particular break, that is the green candle. Here we have lost it. In the second candle we have made it. Okay, let's go back a bit more of testing. Here there is a 3 green trend which has emerged. There is a break over here. We have lost the trade. We had to buy a put over here. We lost the trade here. We lost the trade here. We gained in this particular candle. So in the third candle, we have gained over here. So let's backtest it. There is a 4 candle trend which has emerged. There is a break with a red. In the next candle, we will buy a put. We have lost it over here. We have lost it over here. We have gained it in the third candle. Over here also, there has been a trend which has emerged, 4 candle, and there is a break over here. In the next candle itself, we have gained because there is a red candle which has emerged over here. Over here, there is a red which has already which has formed the trend. Green has broken the trend. and next candle we had to buy a call that is in the green. We have lost in this particular candle, we have gained in the second candle itself. Let's go back a bit more. Here we have green, there is a break with a red. In this particular candle we have lost, in this particular candle we have gained, in the second candle itself we have made our profit. Don't forget to read my books, The Financial Independence for Women and The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners. Here there is a trend which emerged, but there is no break over here because it is a doji. It opened and closed at the same level. So this trend does not seem to be broken over here. If there is a doji which emerged, we will not take a trade. Over here, there is a three candle red and then a green has broken it. In the first candle itself, we have made the profit. So this is the trend break, trend follow system, which is easy for us to follow, is the best binary trading strategy, which no one is actually teaching, but I'm teaching it for you for free. You have to make sure that you trade in this particular Euro USD or GBP. There will be particular scenarios which will be outliers. Maybe in the next nine candles, which will not give the red at all, or in the next nine candles, it may not give the green at all. So in such a scenario, you have to test it within particular times. I usually trade within 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. IST and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. That is the way I have backtested it, and I will trade in that particular scenario. And I have never lost in a particular day in binary options with this particular strategy. If you want to know what is binary options, and click this particular link, I have also shown the live trading where I have made lots of money, and it is right in front of you. This is live trading. This is one more live trading session where I have made around $57 in one particular trading session. That is just 2 hours. I have made $57.